What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is a bright and early morning, but as you can see, we are back out of Dover's garage, and today we're going fox hunting yet again. So yeah, that's what we're about to do right now. So we are headed about, 40, 50 miles north?
Something like it.
Yeah, about 40, 50 miles up north. Jeremy saw the car on Facebook over the weekend, and it's a white 90 model GT, clean black interior, AOD car, and car's essentially stock, not a whole heck of a lot done to it, but too good of a deal to pass up, and so we're gonna head up there and actually drive the car back. Fingers crossed the old dry rotted tires do okay, but she's been sitting like 10 years, something like that. So yeah, should be interesting. And so we've been actually just sitting here kind of talking about it. Jeremy's kind of thinking maybe just putting the car back stock and putting a coat of paint on it. So, but he also mentioned coyote swap too. So
Always an option.
with all the coyotes laying around, I mean, it wouldn't be anything, just drop one in. But that's where we're headed. We'll check this car out and see what's up. Yeah, so we made it out to Jeremy's house. There's the car right here. Got it fired up. Super cold out here. Good God. And I'm sorry about the wind. You probably can't hear it, but this is the little car right here. Yeah. This is gonna need a little bit, but stock. Obviously it's gonna need a little bit of love, but hadn't really been messed with. It's got exhaust on it, so yeah, this is gonna be a super fun project. And like me and Jeremy said, don't know exactly what the plan is with this car. Maybe I'll get him to sell it to me, because I'm already digging this thing. I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys. So mission accomplished. We got the car. Got to grab some stuff out of Jeremy's truck here. Go hit the road. Wish me luck. All right, guys. So here we go. See what's up with this thing. Man, it has been a while since I've been in a stock Fox. Go. Hold on. What's that? I'll follow you. You know all the back roads. Oh, God. Hold on, the window won't go up. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Windows up. Alright, all 215 horsepower. Yeah, this should be interesting. Here we go. Okay, so kind of on the road here, and wanted to just give you some driving impressions, because it's been a really long time since I've driven a stock Fox. And the car actually does have headers and I think a small cam, but I mean they're not going to make any kind of difference as far as power goes, really. Sitting here about 70, tacking about $2,000. So the car might have gears, I don't know. And I'm sure the tack isn't right. And gas gauge is really low too. But, all the rattles, I don't know if you can hear them or not, but she rattles and doesn't ride very good. Of course, the tires are hard and stuff, but it just feels like home. And if you've ever owned a Fox body for any length of time, you know exactly what I'm talking about when I say it just feels like home. everything just kind of fits you, and you just, God, it's been a long time. But, man, and you can't keep it off the door handles. I forgot. Oh my God. Yeah. Almost didn't make that turn. It's so wild, you know, because my car has all the suspension and stuff, and you know, it's pretty tight, and it's got the big tires and wheels on it. So handling is really good. This thing being stock like it is, yeah, trying to keep it off the door handles is interesting. All right, so I'm trying to do a little just acceleration test, just see what she does. Hold on, Jeremy's gonna see what we got. She's pretty low.
I'll see it.
Yeah, it's pretty low. So yeah, it's almost out of gas too. But turn this freaking radio down. But yeah, we're gonna see what a basically stock AOD 1990 GT does. So here we go. Make this turn here. And let it get straightened up and punch it. Yeah, there wasn't much there. It actually has some good up and go. I'm definitely not knocking it, but I mean it feels like a stock 5.0. And people who, you know, see how cool and fast Fox bodies are, and then they get like a stock one, and they're like, man, this car sucks. What's the big deal about it? That's why, because in bone stock form, especially with an automatic, which most people, it's called an AOD, most people call it a DOA, they're freaking ridiculously slow. I think the beater's faster. I don't know, but right now we got to find a gas station. Alright, so pull up here and get a little fuel because she's about empty. Let's see here. Alright, put a little gas in her. Hey, she runs good.
First impression, huh?
Yeah, it doesn't like lugging down at low speed. You can tell it tries to buck a little bit with the cam in it. But yeah, we were thinking it had a stock cam in it, but she's hitting the lick a little bit. But it's slow, but not horribly slow. It drives really good. The steering's real loose, like it.
Wore out?
No, not really wore out. It's got a lot of assist to it. Like my 92 feels tighter when you're steering it.
I don't like that. I always got something to say.
Yeah. No 93, unfortunately.
Yeah,
But as far as outside,
pretty straight, huh?
yeah. Clear coat's coming off a little bit. Gonna need some quarter glasses. A little trim work.
All the bodies getting good.
Yeah. Tires are really dry rotted. That's probably why it rides as rough as it does, but like I said, needs paint work, obviously. Is it really?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're not washing the windshield because it's frozen. But yeah, it drives good. Sunroof car. Got the original cheese graters. All right, now that we got some gas in it and I feel a little more confident that the car is going to run good, do a little pull in it and just see, once we get out in the country, just see how it runs. So let's do this. Okay, so I've got to give you a little bit of perspective on this car. Okay, it is a 1990. So we're talking 28 years old. This car is 28 years old. And to be in this kind of condition, it's just unreal. And you don't think about, this actually is a 25-year car. I don't know what the mileage is. These have 5-digit odometers. It says 59. So, I mean, I would have to say, judging from the interior, it could possibly be a 60,000 like all the rubber moldings and stuff on the outside. But again, 28-year-old car, it freaking runs phenomenal. It's the original engine. It's just, that's why everybody loves these cars so much, because they're so freaking reliable, and they just kind of stand the test of time like no other car. I mean, any other car that you can think of at 28 years old is going to be just basically a piece of junk. But I don't know, this thing, it drives really good even on dry rotted tires, and I love all the squeaks and rattles. I need a stock Fox. Mrs. Foxcast has already asked if Jeremy wants to sell it, so I love this car, friggin' love it. So back in the 80s, well, I say the 80s, the late 90s, you couldn't hardly give away an automatic Fox. It just, everybody knew that the AOD sucked really bad. They were slow, and you know, so the 5-speed is where it was at. If the car had an auto, I wouldn't even look at it. But the one cool thing from back in the day, if you were drag racing an AOD Fox, what you would do to make it run at the drag strip, you'd take off in first gear and you'd tack it all the way up about 5,500 or so, and then click it into drive. Once it shifted, you'd pull it back down in first, and it would hold that gear, and that was the way that you drag raced an AOD Fox. Because if you let the transmission do the shifting for itself, I mean, it would be ridiculously slow. I mean, mid 15-second ETs. Now we're talking a stock car, you know, but that was called the AOD shuffle. That's how you got it to actually run a somewhat respectable time. But yeah, I remember that. That's going way back. All right, so we made it back. I'm gonna see if Jeremy wants to do some pulls in it here out front. Hey, you want to do some pulls out front? You see how it pulls? See what's up?
What do you think about driving it? Can it get a little bit?
It does pretty good, yeah. Figure we can do a pull out front. See what she'll do. All right, we'll walk back up front here. You hear it camming a little bit. Still need a little love on the outside, but it's all good. All good. All right, let's get out here to the road. All right, so here we go. Sorry about the wind, but Jeremy's gonna do a little pull in it, see how she does. Here it comes. Hey, not bad at all. Like I said, stock motor, AOD car. Man, she gets down pretty good. I love it. I love it. Yes, I'm totally like a kid in a candy store right now. Yep, that's just how we roll, y'all. You officially got black marks on the driveway. It pulls good, doesn't it? Yeah, she's got some balls for sure. Yeah. Posse works good. Good stuff. So there you go, guys. Another Fox body in the stable. Dover's totally killing me with this car because now I want it. But it's an awesome car. Definitely a good pickup. Anytime you get an opportunity to find a near stock clean Fox body, I would definitely get it. But that's what's up, guys. In the meantime, if you like this upload, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll be back tomorrow with something. I don't know. Later.